This one is part 2. And let's just step on it. Okay, well, this is gonna block the triple decker, but okay. I guess I have to allow it. I can't get into this. No, please don't say I'm trapped in this. I am totally trapped. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, so I've gotten out. Well, and now I have shoved the truck. Well, I guess now you can see who's boss. And now the magic school bus did not make it onto the track. Why? Why? No. You're supposed to be there, son. If this makes you feel any better, I'm not gonna get onto the tracks. Okay, well that's not gonna work. Nah. I'm down. Oh, whoa. What just happened to my head? Well, anyways, now I'm just gonna drive the train. Wow. No way. Well, that was a very nice welcome train. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'll step on it. Is it gonna increase this? Okay. My reel? Oh, that was not how it's supposed to be. I still made it. Oh, now it's whacked out of the tracks. Can I zoom out? Not really. Oh well, that did not work out, did it? There's not even so many here on the server. There's literally 5 people. Most of these people are Canadian, I think. How did that guy get in there? Could you drive into there? I didn't. Oh no, you can't. Well, there's new cars. That's good to see. That's good to hear. New cars. Bumper car. Okay, let's try this bumper car. No, I'm in passenger. Now I'm back out of. This is how you drive this bumper car. How do people drive this bumper car? Wow! Can I drive this on the tracks? It would be good for that. It would go like whoosh. Look how fast this is accelerating. Could I break the sound barrier in this? I wonder. That would be cool if I broke the sound barrier in a bumper car. But it might be possible for the physics of this game. If you can make trains fly, you can probably get a bumper car to go 1,000. Okay, I'm not gonna press the side key. Then I'll make it go slow. Well, I hit 200 miles. Okay, I got this guy before he died. Okay, so this needs careful preparation. Okay. This needs careful preparation. Oh, that wasn't very nice of you, train. Get back into our bumper car. Thanks for moving. This bumper car is very fun. I like this bumper car. If this costed 12 to 20 Robux, I would have been buying it anyway. For some reason. Mostly just to spend some remaining Robux. Come on, is it gonna work or something? Well, could I break the sound barrier going backwards? No, E2. E2? I'm gonna turn very slowly. thing going with me. There's some part over there and it's still going with me. Yeah, not interested. Why am I not turning? I'm pressing side arrow, but it's not letting me turn. Well, sorry. That was the last of that car because unfortunately something happened and someone killed it. Test the force field, make it so it. Okay, now we got my force field. Let's go get hit by a train. I'm not trusting it. So I'll walk in front of a train. Hey, I'm not dead. Very well done. But I need to test it on real trains. So that's why I'm going to go all the way here. And why did I come here? Oh yeah, that's a bit weird. Why did I come here? No. Oh no. I don't trust it on my force field that I was promised. I'll get out of here. Whoa, I was about to be run over by a train. Well, surprisingly, I still have everything. I just wish I could trust it on a real one. Too bad, that's never gonna happen. See? It's like I really do have a force field. Now I'm just gonna run in front and jump in. See, look, I'm just totally jumping in. It's totally foolproof. Come on, get... I'm gonna have to jump through this thing. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, man. Wait, I can get this on. I can get on here. Oh, no. I have this train. Can I get onto this thing? It would be good if I get onto this. No, but it did take me very far. I guess I'll never be able to get... Oh, wow. That was unexpected. That looked like an unexpected guest. Hey, guest. Oh, ouch. That had to hurt my Roblox character. Boom! Give it to me straight, Doctor. This game is very sophisticated. You get a force field if you touch a yellow pad. And then you can run into it. You can run in front of a train and expect yourself to not die. Isn't this so modern? I mean, like, what game gives you the opportunity to run in front of a train and not get killed? Like, maybe one? Train vs. Car Ultimate. Yeah, it's the best car game ever. Hey, what is he doing with mine? What is he fiddle-faddling with? My triple decker? Nuh-uh. See, this game, like, I can jump onto a train. Did you know that? I did not even know that before I played it. See, look, I even get a bandana for joining. Just kidding, I bought this. So am I gonna have to run? Give it to me straight. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, you know. Well, I'll be here to get it. Normally, the train normally spawns here. See, look, all my Ring of Flames are still here. Although I did pay 30 Robux for something on my back and I didn't use it. It was the minions, my minions. Costed a little bit of it, 30 bucks. See, that's it right there. Yes, you heard. What just happened? That was totally betrayal. Betrayal. Like, how could they do this to me? Well, I'm I'm gonna sign off for today. See you later in the next game video.